Hi, what up? It's Joshua back here with a video of my pocket knife. In total I have 22 pocket knives, but they're all at my great grandma's house. So yeah, I just took this out just for like a little pocket one, and I just wondered if I could do a video on it. So yeah, first we're looking at the blade. It's a pretty sharp blade. As you can see, it's a pretty sharp blade. It can cut through paper very easily, and it's stainless steel, and it's a Trekmates right there. Trekmates pocket knife. So yeah, that's blade very sharp. Blade is very sharp. Always be careful with pocket knives. I'm 10 years old. My parents agree with me using these. Of course, don't just go out on the streets flashing this about, because you can get in trouble by the police. So yeah, you just close that. And then number two. Number two is the little blade. It's just for simple, like cutting like hard sticks, like halfway, then just snapping them. So yeah, it's very easy. Tried this out before, and I've put it to the survival test. And yeah, really sharp. Be careful. I just took this out. It's hard to get out, so this is a little fishing. Don't know what this is really for. I think it's for fishing. Dad said it's for fishing. It isn't hard, but you can see it isn't hard. It isn't cutting me. It isn't hurting me. As like could be like for like hitting something or something like that. Yeah. So the next one. Scissors. Never really got this out because I've never seen, well, I really need them. Never really need them, but it's just for like cutting string if you sew your clothes, or maybe even fishing wire. Yeah, it isn't that sharp. It will be used for cutting your nails. I just bite mine. Next is a little bottle opener, or can opener. I think this is bottle opener because it's like pointy, where you can push and stuff. It's easier. Yeah, so that's one. And then yeah, so that's one corkscrew. This is a can opener, bottle opener. It isn't as pointy. This one's like you can see, like it goes like in like a line down the middle, and then there's like a little thing where you can put your nail in and pull it out. So yeah, going on to the back, we have a corkscrew. So if you get your corkscrew going camping, maybe with your girlfriend or the girls, something like that, you screw it on. You just screw it on and then pull it out. So yeah. Next is the this pointy thing with a hole. I don't know what this is. I have to do some research on it. So yeah. Actually, you can comment down below what this is. So yeah. Next is this, which I do not know what it is again. Just a normal thick block, and I think it's nail filer at the back. It works, and then there's that made for that hooking mud out your nails. Like hooking mud out your nails or toes, or something like that. So yeah. Next is like Next is just like normal thing, like that there. Fix something on your tin or something. So yeah. Last but not least is a keyring. It's a keyring. Just clip onto your trousers. Just clip it onto your trousers, or you can get an extender and extend it, or you can get a sheath, which I'll get you right now. Here we have a sheath which I got for my birthday. Came with a red pocket knife with like medical symbol. Has holes in it, probably got caught in the street. Not street, in a tree. So, and then you can put this on. You can take this off like that. Fold it back up. Put the pouch over it. Then hook it on your belt. You just walk around. And also, I nearly forgot. Also, with the pack, it comes with a torch. It's very bright. Yep, so it's very bright. And if you wanted to, you could. The back there's 4 AA batteries, and then there's like grip things in here, so you can turn it, hold it like that, or maybe like that. Look at something closely. So yeah, this is, of course, I have 25 or 22 knives in my collection. Including this, it would be 26 or 24. So yeah, I have little knives. Started when I was 7 years old. I'm 10 years old now. So yeah, this is I have at my house, where it's at my great grandma's. She likes to look after knives because my granddad was in the Navy, and he used to bring, I think Navy or Army, and he used to bring loads of knives home. So yeah, that's my video. Like, subscribe, comment, share, bye.